In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the knock sensors on this Chevy Silverado. They're underneath and on the side of the engine block. Let's get into it. Right in front of the starter, we're going to disconnect the connector right here. Reach up, just push down on the tab, and slide it out. Now I'm going to put a 13mm wrench on there and loosen up the bolt. It's going to help if you have a ratchet wrench. You can get on there. You could always use a socket as well. Now just try to loosen up the bolt and slide it out. Take the knock sensor, same way it came out, line that up. Be very careful not to drop it, it is sensitive. And get the bolt started. It's in there, you want that angled just about how it was when it came out. All right, that's snug. Now do the best you can to get in there with a torque wrench and torque that to 18 foot-pounds. All right, that's 18 foot-pounds. Now we're going to connect the connector, line it up, lock it down. And if you're going to do the driver's side, the procedure is going to be the same.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.